So what's up, guys? So I finally got the part so I can start messing with my rear camber. So what I'm gonna do today, I got some cheap eBay arms and I'm trying to go like double digit camber, like -12 or -10 all around. So today we start the quest for the back camber to get the double digits. The back should be pretty easy. The front is gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to these camber arms to get a little bit more camber than it allows from factory with these arms. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, this is how the factory one, how they come. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut off about maybe a 1/4 inch from here and from the threads that go in, so that it goes more into the camber arm and allows the rear wheels to camber in more. So we're just gonna measure that and then cut it with the grinder or cut off wheel, whatever you want to call it. So I marked where I'm gonna cut the camber arm there, just a little bit. And then after we get that cut, I'm gonna measure the threads, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to cut some threads so that it goes all the way in. So there, it's not a straight cut. Well, yeah, for the most part it is. It just looks like it's not straight because of the chip there. But now that it's shorter, I'm gonna see how far it threads in and then cut the threads. So it doesn't look like I have to cut that many threads, but I'm probably just gonna cut off about a 1/4 inch or just under a 1/4 inch like I did of this, so that it's not all the way in the end of the hole. So there, now that's cut. So it should go in. You gotta make sure the threads, since it's cut, the threads are not gonna be perfect, but once you get it in, it will re-thread since it's not that bad. Ooh, this is hot. Alright, so about there. I think that should be fine for now. If I have to cut more in the future, then so be it. So now we just gotta cut the other side. Alright, so they're both done. Honestly, if I were to show you these were cut, you probably wouldn't even notice. But you can see, the only way you could tell, and that's if you didn't know about the arms, is that it's not blue there now, but it's nice and smooth. And then the thread, they're all good. As long as you cut it like without jumping and everything, it should all be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these possibly tomorrow, as long as everything goes good. And I also have the stuff I'm gonna use to get my front camber. So that's that on the how to get the maximum camber on your camber arms on the 8th gen. I didn't want to cut up some super expensive camber arms, that's why I went with the cheap ones. Once I see this works out good, which it should be no problem because I have friends that run it this way. Once these bushings blow, actually, I'm just gonna wait till then to change them for a better arm that I'm gonna cut.